Okay, we got a Cincinnati CB60x4 here. CB2, sorry. Just came in and we're just firing it up to run it now. You got these nice, really nice adjustable work supports. Look at these. Those are pretty slick, eh?
Heavy duty.
Yeah, heavy duty, slick, accurate. What else came in with it? Did we get any manuals, stuff like that?
Manuals are on the left side here.
Okay. Here's our light curtain control. Here's our full screen control system. Running it on 460 volts. Very quiet hydraulics. Those are our rigging straps. Here's your full set of manuals. Operation, maintenance. All right, let's run it through some stuff. You got program in probably. We're gonna run through some different
Yeah, I've got a couple of different setups right now. High, medium, and low.
light curtains are working. Light curtains are working. All right, let's run through your programs again. I'm going to show the screen.
Go to Palm real quick here.
Okay. I'm going to show the screen showing the reads on it. So this is the same 3 steps you just did, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll do it from behind as well. All right, let's do it one more time and I'll show from behind, back gauge in and out and up and down. All right. Nice.